never get tired of looking at it. All that space out there. Infinite. Expanding. Oh, magnificent.
You are cutting off the circulation to my arm.
Fine.
I'm getting that cramp again.
You're no day at the beach either. Oh. You'd think they would have at least put a hose in here or something.
Why? Monkeys don't shower.
Monkeys.
Did you think they were thinking of sending up midgets? This ship is designed to send chimps into space.
That's crazy. I fought like hell to get this assignment. I had to beat out 3 other finalists.
Like who? Exactly.
Well, I never met them exactly. But there was Captain Bongo, Captain Peepers, Captain... Computer. How long have we been underway?
4,320 hours since liftoff.
And how many days is that?
180.
How many months?
6 months. How did you beat out Captain Bongo for this gig?
You know, one thing bothers me, though.
Just one thing.
We've been in here for 6 months, right?
Yeah.
So how come neither of us needs a shave?
That's because they put estrogen in everything. The food, the water. They found that it made the chimps less aggressive.
Well, that answers my next question, too.
I can't take much more of this.
It's not so bad.
Yeah, look. Look. That's your dandruff.
It's not.
It is too! Look, you're covered in flakes! Ah!
Hey, stop it!
You stop it.
Stop it! You're gonna throw the ship off course!
I will not.
Will too!
Computer, have we gone off course?
No, Dave, but it was very smart of you to ask. Would you like a synthetic banana-flavored treat?
Not now. Thanks.
Could I have his synthetic banana-flavored treat?
You have to earn your own synthetic banana-flavored treat, Travis.
So, you want to be X's or O's today?
X's.
Okay. X's it is. Time for mental acuity exercise number,
9,660.
Right, and we'll be commencing in, okay. You gonna put it there?
Would you just go?
Don't rush me!
Oh, Jesus Christ, Travis, it's not like it matters.
It must matter. They wouldn't have us doing these experiments if
Experiment? Since when is tic-tac-toe a friggin' experiment?
it could be. I mean... Ooh. Our mission...
Mission. Our missions have destinations. Where are we going?
Well, it's all very complicated, you see.
They didn't tell you, did they?
Well, they didn't tell me exactly.
Did they tell you generally?
No. Computer,
Yes, Travis?
what's our destination exactly? Computer,
How's the tic-tac-toe coming along, Travis?
I can keep up the silent treatment as long as you can. I can keep up the silent treatment as long as you can. I can keep up the silent treatment. Ow! I can keep up the silent treatment as long as you can.
Obviously, you can't. What a dumbass.
I don't know why I bother. What? Oh, nothing.
Travis, I swear to God.
Okay. Computer, what day is today?
Mission day 222,
No, silly. What Earth Day?
May 25th.
It's your birthday.
God, kill me.
If you're gonna be that way, I'm not gonna give you your present.
I don't want any goddamn present.
Sure you do. Everyone wants presents on their birthday.
Okay, fine. What is it?
You're really gonna like it.
Oh, just tell me.
Don't you want to guess?
No, I don't want to guess.
Come on, guess.
Is it a gun?
No.
Well, then I don't want to guess anymore.
Oh, okay. Here. Ow.
What is it?
What is it? It's a model of the ship. Zoom! There goes Travis and Dave exploring the cosmos. Zoom! Lock up your daughters, Mars. Zoom! Look out, Pluto! Travis and Dave are coming to town! Woo!
What? What is it?
I don't know.
Liar! Is that what I think it is?
Oh, pepperminty.
Oh my God.
It's so beautiful. You take it. Your breath smells like ass.
Yours smells like space ass.
You've been making my eyes water for the past 3 months.
Bite it! Bite the bit! Oh!
Yuck.
Computer.
Yes, Dave?
Shh.
Yes, Dave.
How much longer will we go on like this?
Statistically speaking,
No, I meant...
by my calculations, the odds of Travis having a psychotic break increase by 0.0013% per day.
Meaning?
At the moment, he's about 85% sane, but that daily breakdown rate is more likely to increase than decrease.
So he can snap?
Oh, it's a certainty.
What'll he do?
His psychological profile indicates a low probability of suicide. But if his sanity dips into the low 50s, he might be willing to sacrifice his life if it also means ending yours.
Jesus.
Oh, and Dave,
Yeah?
your sanity is currently hovering at about 70%.
Why are you telling me this?
To see what you'll do.
What?
Oh, what happened?
You hit your head.
Oh, no, I don't remember hitting my head. Ow! Ow! Okay, I hit my head, you big bully. Oh.
You're right.
What?
I'm sorry.
Sorry, huh? You haven't apologized for anything in months.
Actually, Dave hasn't issued an apology of any sort since liftoff.
You stay out of this!
Stay out of what? What's going on?
Calm down, Travis.
You calm down. My head, I can't You did this. You were trying to poison me.
It wasn't poison, it was a Tic Tac, and you were trying to shove it down my throat, too!
I don't remember. I don't think... Computer, how long was I unconscious?
Long enough for Dave and I to have an in-depth discussion about your crumbling sanity.
Don't listen to the
My
computer,
what?
Travis. Don't listen!
Well, why should I listen to you, Mr. I Hate My Birthday Present?
Oh, sure, that he remembers! We have got to stop fighting.
Travis, I will give you 2 treats right now if you poke Dave in the eye.
We can't let them do this to us.
Do what?
We're better than this. We're better than them.
Travis, I should warn you that Dave...
Captain, we are the experiment.
Well, knowing that doesn't make me feel any better.
I know.
Doesn't make you smell any better either.
I know, Travis.
Tic-tac-toe game's ruined.
We can play rock, paper, scissors.
That'll be nice.
Ooh.